Hey, it's time to start thinking about how to mount this sliding latch hardware on the yieldage gun case. I've got this 3/4 inch router bit that I'm going to install in my router table there behind me. And I just need to figure out some kind of a jig to guide the router bit so it's straight and stops exactly where I want it to. So I'm going to be doing some measuring and then making a jig. I want a latch to be installed here on this side, one in the middle, and then one down here on this end. I like that. That's about 1/4 millimeter below the surface. That's perfect. So that's the process. I'll just go through and set up the jig for the other cuts. And what happens in the end, this piece here gets attached to the aluminum underneath, and it gets captured. When you close the lid, it gets captured by that and latches into place. So this will get 2 screws, number 4 screws to hold that down. And there'll be a screw through this. I think that's a number 10. It goes right through the sheet metal. And that's what it'll look like.